hell is all that? Some mad thing. That is crazy.
Oh, so it all goes down. That one just there is your ticket.
£70 ticket. Wow, bro, you think I'm broke or something, bro?
No idea, sir.
Fucking
No idea.
£70.
What I do know is you've just parked somewhere it costs you 70 quid to park. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So maybe you can keep this on your phone and you'll be able to learn from your mistakes. Wow. It's wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Remember, keep it as memento.
Bro,
You should film yourself picking the ticket up,
Yeah, whatever.
bending over and picking up your litter. Yeah, picked up your litter.
Wow,
If
but
you're not bothered about it, throw it away then.
Huh?
Throw it away, Mr. Moneybags. 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 Throw it away. Come on, you've got loads of dollars. Throw it away.
This is the behaviour of the civil
enforcement
officer.
Fuck! Shit! Oh shit, 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 shit. Nope, 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 nope. Fuck. Ah, fuck! Turn the back of the fucking... Turn the back of the van. Turn this. That's it. That's it, Steve. Steer you off. Steer you off. Fuck! Steer you off. Steer you off. Turn that way. Turn that way. Use the wheels as a fucking rudder. Shit!
Are you serious, brother? Oh my god. That's a lot of bricks.
Yeah.
Oh, in the front as well. Oh. Air ride.
Right.
Look at him. He's like ragging against this fence here. Look at him. And then I've slammed on and beeped at him. Now look at him. What the hell? He like dived on my car. Why did he do that? Look at me. He's like on my windscreen right where the cheeky gets. And then look at him.
Hello. Oh, good God.
I'm gonna go fucking miles back. Fucking slow down. Slow down. stop coming so fucking close to my car.
Listen, mate, it's right. I've just reversed back up that road 3
Yeah.
times. Waited for 20
I don't care
cars.
about reversing.
Don't come in here. I'll fucking rip you up the
I
car
don't
and rip
care
your fucking head
about
off.
reversing.
I'll fucking reverse
Reverse
back.
it
Don't
where?
fucking come up in my face. I'll fucking kill you.
It's alright, mate.
What the fuck is it, that bridge, isn't it?
Mate.
Shit, the fucking
Shit.
look at the state of that. He ain't got a job to. Oh,
that's gonna
fuck.
blow up, bruv. Fucking, I ain't waiting around there.
Fucking hell!
That's all the diesel's pulling out and all that.
I got your phone down here.
इन्हीं कैब ड्राइवर और गाड़ी रुक रही है फुट से उल्टियाँ दूसरी गाड़ी डायरेक्ट हेड ऑन स्मैश What the hell, man? Looking very good. It's a head-on collision from opposite ends. अच्छा gente tanja hayya गाड़ी दूर है morra la iman nai din nai.
So I've only had the fan for 4 months, and this is when a lovely BMW driver thought, you know what, fuck it, let's open him up like a tin can. Look at that. Never trust BMW drivers, seriously.
Oh my god! Oh my god! The author Helen Bailey, victim of the awful secret murder by her own husband, had a friend called Shelley who's going to tell us about her. Plus, was losing your hair the biggest hurt from your No.
Joshua's blocked in the market. Mal is that's how they're going to lift in it, and this is how they're going to attempt to move a car. Let's see, does this work or not? Josh, that should go in further, I reckon. Yeah. Oh.